Love you, Leo, and this is your relationship message for you, Leo, and this is your card, and the card says flexible. Let's see what's your message for you today, Leo. In every relationship, it's important to be open to new experiences and learning new things. Letting go of rigidity is what's required. Right now, you don't always have to be right all the time, do you? It's okay to come to a happy compromise. You can still get your needs met. It's a beautiful day when you meet halfway. The appearance of this card in a reading could also signal that you have met someone new who may not be your type, but who will turn out to be so special that you can easily release your old ideas about what sort of partner is right for you. Be flexible. You will be happy you made that choice. And that's your relationship message for you, Leo. And I'll be doing a pick a card reading after this, Leo. Watch out for the pick a card reading. And I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leo. Take care. Love you all.
For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. This is the first deck and this is the second deck. So I will be picking 3 cards from each deck. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your connection, you can think about it and close your eyes and meditate and open your eyes and choose that pile whichever you see first. So I'll be silent for few seconds and then we will start the reading with the first deck. Okay guys, for those who chose this deck, this is the first card. Let's see what is the reading. I'll be picking 3 cards from that deck, guys. So this is your first card, this is your second card and this is your third card, guys. So whatever questions you want to be answered, you can think about it and I will turn the cards now. It's Fortitude in reverse, Ace of Spheres in reverse and Prince of Suns. With these cards, the energy is that for those who have chosen this first deck, guys. So in this connection, you are really strong minded or they are really strong minded. They have a particular way of doing things and they are a fierce advisor, maybe someone giving you suggestions because they have concern, but on certain points or certain views you may feel that they are being too severe. And this person is really generous and they help you and guide you and they are also honest. But maybe they are quite successful in their life, or it may be your energy or it may be this person's energy. So your success or their success in life, in career, so that may affect this relationship because the way they behave, it may not be what you like. So maybe they are in some ways corrupted because they are doing really well in their life because of the power of their wealth or their reputation. So whatever that is, because of their position or social status, the way they behave, you may feel that they are using their power and authority to make certain decisions in this relationship or behave in a particular way, and you may not like it. And this person may be quite impatient, or it may be your energy, you are impatient, and in this connection you may not share that great love between each other. Maybe you are there, this person is there in this connection to make use of your power and authority, or you are there to make use of that person's power or authority, something vice versa, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this first deck. So let's see what is the reading with the other cards, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, guys, let us see what is the reading. We'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. So this is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card, guys. So we will see what are the cards. So whatever questions you have in your situation, you can think about it, and I'll turn the cards now, guys. It's High Priestess, 10 of Air, Queen of Air. With these cards for your relationship, guys, I see that today in this connection with this person, you have that clarity, you are setting your boundaries in this connection, and you have a strong self-esteem, and you make calculated decisions today. You have that clear and deep communication with this person, and in this connection you know what works, and you know the right way to be, right way to behave, and you want a better understanding with this person, deep meaningful understanding with this person, and you are working towards that. And you are changing the way you are thinking today, guys. The change in your perception, I see. So whatever you need to do, you have a clear way of doing it. And maybe for some of you, you are learning the truth, maybe a truth revealed about yourself to that person, or about that person to you. So you know with clarity what works in this connection, and what is the truth behind some circumstance, and you have a better trust today, and because of this knowledge that you have about this person or about that circumstance. And whatever was mysterious or whatever was missing that you wanted to know, you are knowing about that today, guys, and you feel really happy for knowing that truth, and you are working towards a better understanding in this connection. Maybe for some of you, if you are in separation, I also see that you are going to meet a new person in life. A new beginning is coming towards you. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this deck, the second deck. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.